What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be taking a close look at one of Adidas's sleekest minimalist trainers, the all-white Adizero Arukus. So let's get into it. First off, this is a clean shoe. The all-white colorway gives it that crisp, versatile look, whether you're rocking joggers or jeans. The silhouette is low profile, breathable. Perfect for summer or just those days, you want a lightweight feel without sacrificing style. The upper is made with a soft engineered mesh, super breathable and flexible. It's got these minimal overlays, enough structure without making it stiff. One thing I noticed is the heel collar has the right amount of padding, so no rubbing or breaking needed. And of course the outsole gives it that decent traction. Yeah, so these shoes, they're made for walking, and you can tell, they're super lightweight, they're around 8 ounces. The cushioning is soft, but it's very responsive. Great for all day wear or long walks. It's not a running shoe, but for everyday errands, light training, travel, I highly suggest these. Let's check out the design there. It says Adizero. Check out that sole. It's very minimalist. So I tried these on and they really feel like you're walking on air. It's super comfortable. Swirl foam. So the reason why I got these shoes is because they kind of remind me of my other favorite pair of shoes, the Hoka Cliftons. These shoes right here, the Hoka Cliftons. So as you can tell, they're pretty beat up because I've been wearing them for the past couple years. I've actually thrown these in the wash like several times. Still in decent condition. But I noticed that the design of these Cliftons are very similar to these Arukus. So I thought it would be kind of cool to get like something similar but different. And these were definitely, they were verified by eBay. Got them for around like 160, 170. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.